Why does your lawn have so many weeds? Most people think weeds are the main problem, but usually, weeds are only a symptom. The real problem is weak grass. Let's explain. Weeds grow where your lawn gives them space. If your grass is thin, if there are bare patches, or if the soil is compacted, weeds move in fast. They don't need perfect conditions, they just need an opportunity. One of the biggest causes is mowing too short. When you cut grass too low, you expose the soil to sunlight, and sunlight helps weed seeds germinate. Short grass also becomes weaker, so it cannot compete properly. Another common reason is poor watering. If you water too lightly, grass roots stay shallow. But many weeds can survive stressful conditions better than grass. That means the weeds win. Compacted soil is another major problem. When soil is hard, water, air, and nutrients can't reach the grass roots properly. The grass becomes weak, and weeds take advantage. Bare patches are also a big warning sign. Any empty space in your lawn is an invitation for weeds. So, how do you fix it? First, stop only treating the weeds. Start improving the lawn. Mow at the right height. Keep the grass slightly taller so it shades the soil and blocks weed seeds. Water deeply, but not every day. This helps grass grow stronger roots. Aerate compacted areas so oxygen and water can reach the root zone. Overseed thin or bare spots before weeds fill them in. And fertilize properly so your grass has the nutrients it needs to grow thick. A thick lawn is one of the best natural weed controls. Because when grass is dense, there is less space, less light, and less opportunity for weeds. So remember this, you don't just fight weeds by killing them, you fight weeds by growing stronger grass. Fix the lawn, and the weeds become much easier to control. Subscribe for more simple lawn care tips and turn your grass into something exceptional.